Hi there, Lisa here from jvzooreview.net. Imagine being able to bank as much as $6,000 per cash machine you set up. Now imagine it's so easy. You can do it in 30 minutes or less, and do it with all free traffic. Discover the simple step-by-step system this newbie uses to pull in over $200 per day. I implemented these strategies this week, and I'm already seeing some profits. Fantastic profits. To be honest, already marketers are reporting in and announcing they've been making fantastic profits with this, and it's so newbie-friendly you don't even need a list, have to pay a single red cent for traffic, have to create products. You'll see how to find and promote a very special kind of product, one which has huge buyer interest, yet will sell well long-term. And for each copy and paste cash machine you put up, you can start banking big like man and his students are already doing. There are so many gold nuggets in this, like how to drive a tsunami of free, laser-targeted visitors to your site using simple SEO tactics most marketers don't even know exist. One brain-dead simple tweak that can double your traffic and multiply your sales and conversion. Where and how to find a goldmine of products your visitors are almost ready to buy, and how your cash machine easily push them over the edge. Pick up this system marketers are raving about, but hurry, it's only available for 2 more days. Go to the link below this video to get instant access. I also have bonuses for you. Go to the link below this video to see my bonuses.